Welcome all of you to PD Group Trading Channel. Today we will trade in Nifty, which is dated May 23rd, 2025. In Nifty today we are seeing momentum on the call side. The market is taking a small rejection. By setting a high, we will enter from where the support area is, so we will take entry on the call side today. Entry on the Nifty call of 24,750 Indian rupees, in which the current price of the call of 24,750 Indian rupees is 215. We will enter on the call side in this. Our entry has been done at about 217 rupees, and we will keep the stop loss below 2 candles in this, and the target is slightly above the previous brother. We will keep the first target and the second target till the next resistance. Our stop loss will be approximately 33 points, and the target will be approximately 120. Our first target will be approximately 24,854 Indian rupees, and the first target will be approximately 300 Indian rupees on the premium, and the second target will be approximately 24915. And the second target will be approximately 350 rupees on the premium, in which our first target has almost been done. Our target of 120 points has almost been completed, and we will wait for the second target. Next time we can watch it within 1 to 2 hours, or after watching preview the next day, we can expect next target to watch similar videos. Similarly, to watch our videos, you can like and subscribe our page. Do follow and subscribe our Instagram chat trading, and our Facebook channel is also in the name of PD Group Trading, which you can follow and subscribe. Our next session will start from tomorrow. We will also make target stop loss and entry.